Hello, my name is William Beck, and this is my video presentation for Physics Online with Mr. Oakson. Today, in my video physics project, I'm going to be talking about sound. Sound is a vibration passed from molecule to molecule and also referred to as a sound wave. A wave is a vibration that moves, and a vibration is the process of an object moving back and forth. Sound can only travel when it has something to move through, like air, liquids, and solids. It's a vibration in one of these mediums that cause sound. Space is a vacuum which has no molecules, which sound cannot travel through. This is an example of sound wave in GarageBand. You notice at the top is called the crest and the bottom is called the trough. This is an example of the Doppler effect. It's a change in the frequency as measured by an observer due to the motion of the source or the motion of the listener, which happens to be my car. If you'll notice that there's a straight line for the wave of sound, that it increases as my car gets closer and decreases as my car leaves. In this video, I will be showing the variations in tone. Each has the same frequency, but it's different extra vibration. This would produce different tones. If you notice, the wavelength starts out really big, and you notice the camera angle, I'm actually walking away from the amplifier. As I walk further away from the amplifier, the frequency doesn't change, but the wavelength does, and the way we perceive and hear it. We can still hear and feel the vibrations. Well, we can't feel the vibrations, but we can still hear the vibrations from the bass itself through the camera. As you notice, the wavelength has decreased and increased through the vibration. As we get closer to the amp, you'll notice the wavelength overall increases. In conclusion, most, if not all, aspects of physics are used in the video game industry. Some games, the gameplay itself violates the laws of physics. I know one thing from running sound for a live band is make it sound good. Great if possible. If it doesn't sound good, it makes you look bad, which makes the band look bad, which in turn makes the club look bad, and inevitably could end up losing fans and losing a gig. Sound is very important in video games, whether it's the music, sound effects, game dialogue, or storyline. It can be a big factor in a video game. Explosions, footsteps, gunshots, swords clanking together, casting magic, background music, even play notes on the guitar. When you have good sound, it makes for a better video game. It excites the person. You can't have bad sound in video games as well as you can't have bad sound working for a live band. If your sound doesn't line up right with the action you just completed on the screen, you might put down the game because of a lack of proper sound, or oh, this didn't line up, and this guy was talking but his mouth stopped moving halfway through. It's going to make you mad at the end. Well, I want to thank you for watching my online video project for physics, and this is William Beck signing off.